not to arrange drinks, claiming that
That's
he
right.
would
Anirudh, I'm just going to
them.
interrupt you for 1 minute to explain this to our viewers, because this is the big breaking news and this is the witness statement coming in. Shekhar Jyoti Goswami, and I'm reading out from the remand copy, has stated Sharma forcibly took control of the yacht from Zubeen Garg, conspired with Mahanta to poison him, projecting it as an accident. He then says very suspicious conduct is there is of Sharma. He arranged for liquor for Garg, controlled the access to it, instructed that yacht videos not to be shared, raising doubts about his intent. He says in the critical last moments, witness said as Zubeen Garg gasped for breath, Sharma dismissed it as acid reflux, saying, Jabodo, let him go, instead of providing help. The witness also revealed Zubeen Garg's death could be a conspiracy, was planning to portray it as an accident. He said Siddharth Sharma, who was staying with him at Singapore's Pan Pacific Hotel, acted suspiciously. Sharma forcibly took control of the yacht, making it unstable, told the NRI Phukan not to arrange drinks, insisted he alone would provide them. During Garg's final moments, he said, let him go. He stressed he was an expert swimmer, alleged Sharma along with Mahanta poisoned him. This is the witness there stating this in the remand copy. This has been noted. He said the witness said he was poisoned and deliberately choosing a foreign location to hide the conspiracy. Sharma also told him not to share the yacht videos. When Garg began frothing at the mouth and nose, Sharma dismissed it as acid reflux instead of seeking medical help. These are big points coming in, Anirudh, and I think you also tried earlier, and in fact you were the first person to speak to Zubeen Garg's wife, who'd already earlier stated that enough was not done, Anirudh.
Yes, conspiracy angle was in fact mentioned by Zubeen Garg's wife also when she spoke to Republic TV exclusively on the 13th day of Zubeen Garg's death. And Garima Shekhar Garg had clearly mentioned that though she alleged that there was criminal negligence on the part of the organizer and the manager, apart from criminal negligence, there might be a conspiracy to kill Zubeen Garg. This allegation was leveled by Zubeen Garg's wife, Garima Shekhar Garg, and now, as we go through this remand copy of the police, two of the witnesses who have been also arrested, and they are also accused in this case, Amrit Prabha Mohanto and Shekhar Jyoti Goswami, they have confessed to this allegation that there was a conspiracy. They have made this statement on record to the police that Siddharth Sharma as well as Syamkanu Mohanto had allegedly poisoned Zubeen Garg during his yacht trip. And yes, Tanmoy Phukan, one of the NRI who organized the yacht party, Tanmoy Phukan said that he will be arranging the liquor for the yacht party. But Zubeen Garg's manager, yes, Siddharth Sharma, said that you don't need to arrange the liquor.
That's
I
right.
will bring in the liquor.
Anirudh, this is extremely suspicious. It's extremely suspicious that a man is frothing at the mouth and the nose, and the manager says, let him go. It's extremely suspicious that the yacht videos were told to the witness not to be shared. Very suspicious that no one was allowed to get liquor into the yacht. Very suspicious that the person who was staying with him at the Pan Pacific Hotel in Singapore was also trying to be cahoots, in touch with his manager. It's the top focus, that remand copy, and what lies ahead, Anirudh, getting us those latest first details. We'll continue tracking that with you, Anirudh. Thank you for being with us. Viewers, the other top focus today, the molester Baba, Swami Chaitanand Anand Saraswati, accused by 17 women of molestation.